Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us.
In this video, I will show you how to set up MEXC account. First of all, click on link given in the description. That's my referral link. If you create your account by reference, then I will be thankful to you. Once you click on link, that will take you this page. Now here you can see an option of sign up. Click on it. Now you can enter email, phone number, or buy with these options. This time I choose to create account by Google. Now select your mail. Now it will ask you enter verification code sent to your mail. Enter verification code. And that's it. Now open Play Store and download this app. Once you have downloaded, then open it and log in with same email which you used before. Once it open, you can see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it. At the top right corner, you can see verify option. Click on it. Now there is two account verifications. Primary KYC and Advanced KYC. For primary KYC, you need only your ID. But for advanced, you also need facial recognition. It means with ID picture, you also need to give live photo for verification. Advanced KYC is also recommended by platform. You can see here. And you can read features difference on primary and advanced KYC by yourself. And that's it.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.